We did it. Check in hand.
Car's gone. It really was that simple. I don't know.
Well, the Mayberry meetup has come to an end. Sunday is always a hard day. Saying goodbye to all of our friends that we haven't seen in a long time and the new friends that we've made. But alas, we must hit the road. We are on to Williamsburg, Virginia. I'm not really recording and driving. I'm safe. Visit a very special friend and a new member of their family.
So big change coming in the NOTB family. Natasha, as you all should know, is no longer commuting back and forth to work. She is working from home. So we were questioning, do we really still need the second vehicle?
For many years, the first 2 years we were full-time on the road, in fact, we actually only traveled with one vehicle, the truck that pulls the RV. So now that I'm working from home and we're traveling every 2 or 3 weeks, we're putting a lot of miles on both vehicles and spending a lot of money in gas, and you all know how expensive those gas prices are. So we have decided it is financially prudent for us to let go of that second vehicle and let go of a car payment as well.
Yeah, for the heck of it, I was looking up our vehicle's value on Edmunds.com, and that gives you an instant offer from CarMax. I'm like, really? That seems too good to be true. So that's what we decided we were gonna check out. A good detailing is what this car needs before we take her in and have it appraised. So that's what we did. Buggy bath here in Williamsburg, Virginia. The inside looks amazing. We might try to do a little yet still on the outside. We got a few scratches we might be able to buff out.
This car has been good to us. It served its purpose well. But after getting that CarMax report, we could basically get out of this car what we paid for it, which is really astonishing. So yeah, now it smells good. It's all shiny and purty. We're ready to say adieu to the Kia Optima.
But now we're gonna take this beautiful car on down to Virginia Beach to see some folks you may be familiar with.
Hello YouTube, like Bob always say.
We came all this way to find out, will I fit? And maybe do some other things. Maybe. Oh my gosh, let's peep through their windows.
You would.
Woo! There she is. We were talking about that. Why?
Because I said
I
so.
can do the whole.
It's just funny. Just do it.
All right, today we have a 2021 Jayco North Point 377 RLBA. This is actually the same model we have, but this is 4 years newer. The reason we got it is that I fit. Let's go upstairs. New model. Check it out. Yeah. What? Jayco, what did you do? You blew it. That's the whole reason we got this model. It was tall enough. What happened? Did you raise the floor? Lower the roof? What's going on?
Dear,
He likes his binky, don't ya? Yeah.
I feel the force of Junior.
From all that hair.
Yeah.
Yes, your mother got to report everything.
It's time to say goodbye to the old Kia Optima. But in order to get top dollar, we decided to take it in for some detailing. But the guy wanted to charge me $100 to buff out some scratches. So Bill went to Walmart, got a Scratch X kit. We've got a drill. Just gonna buff these babies out ourselves. We did it. Check in hand.
Car's gone. It really was that simple. I don't know if we've said it before, but yeah, I went on Edmunds.com just to see what it was worth. CarMax pops up with an offer. I'm like, that can't be real. Seems a little high. That's more, actually, than we paid for, to be honest.
Crazy. So it helps pay off the car, puts a little money in our pocket, and now we're back down to one vehicle. Easier traveling. Let's go celebrate. I'm hungry. Well, the car is gone, so that means we're all riding together in the truck. Don't cry, Bill. It's a good move.
So beautiful. So we talked about it in Mayberry with Jason and Crystal of How to RV and Crystal's pets. They're like, hey, we need to get together while you guys are in town. And they're like, hey, we're over at this place. Come join us for dinner. And you know what would be cool is you can take a ferry, just drive your truck right up on the ferry, and you can take that across and meet us at the restaurant.
Yes, we've ridden ferries before, most notably the ferry to cross the Mississippi River, but that was on foot. This is the first time we've ever taken a ferry in a vehicle, and we were like the last ones to get on.
Yeah, they're like, just bring the truck right in there, just pull in. I'm like, I don't know about that, but we made it.
It's pretty cool. What do you guys think back there?
It's like we're moving without even moving. Because we're parked, but the boat is moving us across the water. And we've never been on a boat with a vehicle before. It's the first for everything.
Pretty cool. Let's get out of the vehicle. See what we can see. Show you how tight this is.
Ooh, yeah. It's a little disorienting moving without moving. Might be a little seasick.
Good thing we're going to have some seafood.
Woo!
Coming back might be interesting. Don't stuff yourself. Or have too many cocktails.
All right, we're heading into the dock. They're tying off the anchor, so we gotta go.
Arriving at the Surrey Seafood Company on the left.
That'd be some B-roll right there. Watch me go.
If you're gonna kiss anybody, you should kiss Bill. There you go, you're in frame, you're in frame. No? Oh, the pet.
I gotta reserve my man.
So we sure did have a lot of fun with both POA and Jason, Crystal, and their daughters. And CarMax sure did make it easy to sell the car.
They did. Now, I will say that for all of you folks who are on the road and don't use a big bank that has locations throughout the country, depositing that money can be a challenge. We still bank with a small location back home in Omaha, Nebraska. And typically we do all of our stuff online, including make deposits. However, our check was too big.
Oh no, poor Bill and Natasha. Their check was too big. I know, I feel bad for us. The amount was too large where you can actually deposit it by taking the picture of the front and the back. So you can do it right in the app.
Right, so we did have to mail that check into our bank, which was a little nerve-wracking because sometimes things get lost in the mail. But it worked out. and we were able to make that deposit. And that was really the only challenging part about this entire transaction.
Like I said, it all seemed too good to be true, and it went off just like they said it would.
Yeah. And we have been traveling now as a family back in one vehicle for about 3 or 4 months. Do you miss it?
I don't miss it. She might miss it a little bit once I start being Bill, singing loudly, acting goofy.
I think it's a lot more convenient. We have one vehicle to worry about, one vehicle to fuel up, one vehicle to pay taxes on, you know, all of the things. So I don't miss the Optima at all.
Well, that's it. That's the story this week. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with us. Leave us a comment down below. Do you travel with more than one vehicle? Would you if you were going full time?
I don't know. If you're new to our channel, make sure that you hit subscribe and then ring the notification bell so you can be notified anytime we release a new video.
While you're at it, hit a thumb, preferably the thumbs up. We like that one. It really does help us out. The more you interact with our video, with the thumbs, with the comments, it really does make a difference, and we appreciate it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Natasha.
And I'm Bill.
And we're nursing our travel bug, encouraging you to nurse what makes you happy. Happy trails!
See ya. Take care.